Hello, my name is Alexis from Taylor & Son Chevrolet, and I'm going to be showing you this 2019 pre-owned Trail Boss. I'm excited for this guy. Trail Boss has been one of our top sellers, and to get our pre-owned one in, I'm sure it's going to go to a good home. It's in great condition and one steal of a deal. I'm going to point out some imperfections, just things that I would want to know if I were you. This front grille here, you're going to have some spots where there's chipping away of the black. There's one in there. Sorry, it's very reflective. See my shoes today. Got a scratch along there. It's a brush mark. Kind of bright out. Not sure if you'll be able to see it. And then you do have some other chipping spread throughout. There's one there. No dents or anything in the front bumper. Got one guy here. These wheels are in good condition. You still have a lot of tread left on these aggressive tires. They're the Wrangler DuraTrack tires. Head inside here, there's no smells or anything like that, and the interior was not a smoker. Got your full floor liners in here, help it keep this guy nice and clean. Leather has no tears or rips or stains. Go over the dash there. There's our sunroof. You do have one stain in the headliner right there, just behind the sunroof. Head into the back seat here. Again, you'll have full interlocking floor liners. Very clean back here, no stains or rips. Wheel back here is in good condition. Head to the bumper. That white is just gorgeous in the sun. Do have a scrape down here. You can kind of see it right there. And there's one there as well. You can kind of see it. Okay, wheel in good condition back here. Got your full spray on Bedliner. Little scuffing on the tailgate there. Back seat. Totally clean. And these guys do fold up for extra storage as well as your jack. And head over to our passenger side. Very clean. You do have, very hard to see, you have slight scratches here on the plastic. And some on that metal insert there as well. And then up here, our fourth wheel. And there you have it. That concludes our tour of our 2019 Trail Boss. I hope you can come see it in person soon. Thank you.